Good morning, student. Today the subject accountancy we will learn subsidiary book, 6 chapters. Subsidiary book are special purpose book, types of subsidiary book, cash book. In the previous class we will explain types of cash book. First is simple cash book, then second is double column cash book, then next is 3 column cash book, and then last is PT cash book. Meaning of cash book में today's we will solve the problem exercises. Exercise first. Okay, read the question. We will read the question. Prepare a simple cash book from the following particulars. 2006 June 1st, cash in hand 8950, paid to Paras Brothers 3960. Then 3rd June paid salaries 150s. Then 4th June received from Mohanlal 560. Then 5th June cash sales 375. Then next 6th June bought furniture for cash 270. Then 7th June cash purchase 270. Then 10th June paid rent 135. That is the question. So let me start the back question first. Solution. Top, and the top of the heading simple cash book, column date, particular voucher number LF amount, date, particular voucher number LF amount. In previous class we will explain the pro forma of simple cash book. First date, and this question's date first year 2006, 1st July, cash in hand, debit side received amount and credit side payment amount. Okay, first is to cash in hand, to balance BD amount 8950. Okay, then second is paid to Paras Brothers, paid to Paras, receiving is debit and paid is credit, payment is credit. By 2 June by Paras Brothers 3960. Okay, the third paid salary 3rd June by salary account. 6th June received from Mohanlal. 4th June received from Mohanlal to Mohanlal, debit, because received from Mohanlal, all receiving is debit side. Then next is cash sales 5 June, cash sales, cash is receiving to sales account, cash account debit to sales account. So cash account के हम डेबिट में एंट्री करेंगे टू सेल्स अकाउंट 375. द नेक्स्ट ट्रांजेक्शन्स बॉट फर्नीचर फॉर कैश, फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट, कैश इज paid by furniture account. So 6th June by furniture account 450. The next is 7th June cash purchase by purchase account. The next paid rent by rent account. Okay, debit side once again to balance BD, received from Mohanlal to Mohanlal, cash sales receiving cash to sales account. By Paras Brothers 3960 is paid by Paras. Then next by salary account, paid by salary 150 3 June. The next 6th June by furniture account 450. The next by purchase account, cash purchase by purchase account. The next rent paid by rent account. Then last सारे all transactions are entered in simple cash book. The last total balanced, यहाँ पर हम लास्ट में टोटल बैलेंस निकालेंगे. फर्स्ट टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ डेबिट, देन सेकंड टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ क्रेडिट. टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ डेबिट इज 9885. ओके, 9885 debit side amount Then the credit side amount total. Okay, first is debit side amount total 9885. Then next is credit side amount is total 4965. Okay, debit side 9885, the credit side is 4965. दोनों का टोटल करने के बाद आपको ये देखना है कि दोनों में से किसका टोटल बड़ा है. 9885 इज बिगेस्ट अमाउंट एंड 4965 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट अमाउंट. ओके, देन डिडक्टिंग biggest amount and smallest amount, 9885 deducted by 4965, less than amount is 4920. The balance CD is 4920. Total of debit side, total of credit side. Total of debit side is 9885. Okay, total of credit side is 4965, less than biggest amount to smallest amount. The difference amount is 4920. 4920 is balance amount. Credit side at the last of the month 31st July by balance CD 4920. ओके, तो ये मैंने आपको आज बताया कि सिंपल कैश बुक में बैक क्वेश्चन 1 कि कैश इन हैंड इज डेबिट साइड, ऑल ट्रांजेक्शंस रिसीविंग इज डेबिट साइड एंड ऑल पेमेंट इज क्रेडिट साइड. सो पेड टू पारस ब्रदर्स इज क्रेडिट साइड. सो पेड सैलरी इज क्रेडिट साइड. रिसिप्ड फ्रॉम मोहनलाल, चूँकि यहाँ पे रिसिप्ड हो रहा अमाउंट डेबिट साइड. कैश सेल्स इज आल्सो डेबिट साइड. बॉट फर्नीचर, कैश परचेस एंड पेड रेंट, ये सारे ट्रांजेक्शन्स आपके क्रेडिट साइड में आएंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.